Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video today for Expert Village. We're crocheting black wire to make a Gothic bracelet, and we need to determine the size that we're going to use. And there are a couple of different ways of doing this. The way I usually do it is when I do my chain stitch, I just wrap it around my wrist to see how many more chains that I need. If you want to do it more specifically, you can take your tape measure, measure your wrist. You need to add an inch to it, and then you can have that right in front of you on the table or your work surface to gauge your chain stitch by. Or you can make the line on a piece of paper, just the length that you need it, and have it sitting there so that you can measure your chain stitch to see if it's the length that you need. You always need to add 1 inch to the end of your measurement, because as you're crocheting it's going to shrink down a little bit and you don't want to make it too small.